Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some common chicken dishes in English. Before we begin, if you are new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words in English today. Please give it a try. Chicken breast, chicken breast, chicken breast. Chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. Chicken thighs, chicken thighs, chicken thighs. Chicken drumsticks, chicken drumsticks, chicken drumsticks. Ground chicken, ground chicken, ground chicken. Chicken strips, chicken strips, chicken strips. Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets. Roast chicken, roast chicken, roast chicken. Fried chicken, fried chicken, fried chicken. Grilled chicken, grilled chicken, grilled chicken. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.